morning, YouTubers. I made some changes last night. I don't know if they worked, but I thought I'd get it on film just in case. Currently getting some temp in the car on my way to work. I'll explain more here shortly. I'm not confident in what I did, but I'm running out of options, so I need to stay positive. Yeah. Man, this needs to work. Something weird, man. Something weird. I'm gonna post a quick picture here. As you can see, there was a massive exhaust leak. The internal wastegate hole there was pretty open. So a lot of the exhaust was just pissing out of the internal wastegate hole and not hitting the turbine and spinning the turbine wheel. So I had a feeling maybe that was it. So I repositioned my downpipe that I poorly placed on there with a few extra bolts and was really hoping that it would have fixed this. But nonetheless, I'm on the way to work. I'm gonna make a little wastegate blocker plate now, completely eliminate the wastegate, because that did not seem to be the issue, or that spring you guys previously saw me remove. So I'm just gonna eliminate the wastegate. So one turbo's blocked off, wastegate's blocked off. The turbo, the internal wastegate hole, is no longer leaking. What else? What else could it be? I'm running out of options here. Next step in this diagnostic procedure. Wastegate is blocked. Also, line is pulled. Let's give it another shot. I'm sitting here thinking, man, this better work. So tired of chasing this boost issue. I'm sitting here staring at my wideband, just 14.6 the whole time I'm driving. Wow, that's kind of odd. Then it hits me. I left it unplugged yesterday when I was messing with the exhaust flange. So even if it does hit boost, I'm not even gonna know what AFRs it is. Man. I just need to see that boost peak. Come on, baby. Give me something. Alright, hope you can hear me. This thing is so loud, man. I'm gonna go ahead and roll the windows up. Theoretically, we should have boost, right? give her a little juice here. Remember, my wideband isn't working, but here we go. Oh, I think I just blew the duct tape out. Did you guys catch it? Oh my God. We have boost. Oh. Frick. Man, all right, cool. That's a good sign. Now it feels sluggish as all heck. But we made it. Okay, so wastegate. It's just prematurely opening. I need to put a different spring in, for sure. Yeah, this is driving really weird now. It's like surging. Oh man, but we made it. We made boost. Is that maybe 5 or 6 pounds? That's good. All right, now I can go back home. I can take apart the wastegate again, try and figure out the spring situation, take out the delete on the wastegate, and then we'll retest with the single turbo. If I can get boost with the single turbo and get the boost level, okay, so it doesn't like hit, you know, 10 or 12 pounds and just annihilate this motor right away, then I'll take out the turbo, block off plate, and we'll run it with twins again, and see if we're really gonna get rid of these T3 turbos. Dang, this thing is bucking hard, no power. AFR isn't plugged in. I can't tell if it's running lean. Won't even get close to 0. I wonder if I popped a coupler off the map or something. God dang it. Off the MAF sensor. Because it's just running very, very poorly now. I think I'll probably just have to untape that other turbo on the coupler side. Because I'm pretty sure it just popped with the boost. So I think I'll probably run both turbos and then adjust the wastegate. I mean, and theoretically, it should work, right? Yeah, see, look at this. It's idling, not in gear or anything. All right, second gear. Hold on. Oh my God, there's nothing there. Oh my God, what happened? Real quick guys, what I did fail to mention is this coupler had popped off, and that's why I was running really poor. So yeah, quick and simple. So I'm about to pull the wastegate back off, take the blocker out, take that out, and try and figure out the spring situation. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Another day. Last night I replaced one of the wastegate springs with a slightly tighter spring, and let's see, what else did I do? Put the coupler back on, plugged my AF sensor back in, took the blocker out of the wastegate. Alright, we have boost. We're making progress. Obviously that wasn't a lot of boost, but the spring I put in is still very, very soft. So I might have to try a combination of some different springs, maybe put like a big stiff spring in the main wastegate, and then put that helper spring that I took out earlier back in to kind of compensate. I don't know, I just got to play with it. So we're making progress. I'm just glad it didn't shoot to like 10 pounds or something ridiculous, because I don't need to pop this motor this early. I'd like to enjoy it a little bit. So moving forward, all right, so play with the wastegate spring some more, and then I need to unblock the front turbo and then see how it drives with both. It'll probably lose a lot of spool noise, which will make me sad because it sounds pretty cool. But let's see how it goes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, another day. First, I'd like to thank you guys for sticking around between my diagnosis procedures. I finally got a foam mount. Hopefully it doesn't vibrate too much with this car. Stiffer spring in the wastegate. Second turbo is online. No boost leaks. Theoretically, if it's gonna make boost, it should make boost. So I'm heading to a little local meet here, gonna test drive it and see what she does. A lot of the spoolie noise is gone, which bums me out. It sounded really cool with the one turbo, but hopefully these videos have helped somebody out there wanting to turbo their car. That's my intention, is to give information. I'm no Ford tech. I don't know these cars very well. I simply bought one and started going to town on it. So if you're in the same boat, you know, you're into these cars, you actually like them, just go for it, you know? All right. See if I can do a little something here. Shaking so bad. I hope this video doesn't turn out shaky, but little glimmer of hope here. I hit about 3 pounds, and that was 4th gear. 3rd gear, nothing. So 4th gear, I mean, I'm not gonna have boost in 1st gear, 2nd gear, 3rd gear. What's the point? You know, it's kind of disappointing, but I guess I did see this coming from the beginning. It was all a gamble. I don't know, I'll play with it some more. Maybe I'll pull the wastegate spring, or not the spring, I'll pull the wastegate line on the way home from this car meet. See if I can make boost. If I don't make boost then, or enough boost, I think these turbos are going to be done. The spring that's in there, without combining springs, is the heaviest spring that the kit came with. I'd imagine it's close to an 8-pound spring, so it should have enough pressure to keep everything closed. I just don't think this motor has enough in it to spool both of them. That's what I've been saying the whole time. Most of the time. Oh well. Yeah.
Fucking just a damn gross.
So is that Amazon Prime too, or is that eBay?
No, that's Amazon Prime.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah.